In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add page numbers in Google Docs starting from a specific page. This can be incredibly useful when working on complex documents such as reports, research papers, or any project where you want to exclude certain pages from the overall page numbering. It's a straightforward process, but can seem a bit tricky if you're not familiar with the steps. Let's walk through it together. First, you'll need to insert a section break in your document. This is what allows Google Docs to recognize where you want to start your new page numbering. Begin by placing your cursor at the top of the page where you want your new page numbers to begin. For example, if you want your numbering to start on the third page, click at the start of that page. Now navigate to the Insert menu located at the top of your screen. Hover over Break and then select Section Break, Next Page. By doing this, you've effectively told Google Docs to create a new section in your document, which is essential for starting fresh page numbers. Once your section break is in place, the next step is to adjust the page numbering specifically for this new section. Head over to the page where the new numbering should start and double-click in the header or footer area, depending on where you want the numbers to appear. A menu will appear with various options. Here, you'll see a box marked Link to Previous. You want to ensure this box is unchecked. This action ensures that the new section remains independent and isn't tied to the pagination of the previous sections. After you've unlinked the sections, look for the Options or Page Numbers button. Click on this to open the options for page numbering. Here, you have the opportunity to specify exactly where you want the numbering to begin. Select Start At and enter your desired starting number, such as 1, which makes it easy to follow, especially if you're beginning a new chapter or section in your document. Once you've entered the starting number, click Apply, and you'll see the new numbering appear. Now, let's focus on finalizing your document by removing unwanted page numbers from previous sections. Navigate back to the section before your new numbering started. Click on any page number displayed in the header or footer. Simply delete these numbers. Rest assured, this action will not affect the new numbering in your designated section. And there you have it, a clean, professional-looking document with page numbers that begin exactly where you need them. By following these steps, you can easily add page numbers in Google Docs starting from any specific page without disrupting the rest of your document. Thanks for watching, and happy documenting.